Okay, so this is Friday evening, February 14th. I had just gone to a U-Haul in Arvada, Colorado to get a hitch installed, which is right there. Throughout the day driving around, it looks like I had picked up a bit of a rattle. I didn't know what it was coming from, but you could hear it. Wasn't there before, and this evening on my way to the airport I finally figured it out. This is my muffler right here, and it's not being secured by anything. It's going back and forth completely, making noises, rattling. It just wasn't bolted in properly after the job was done, and so that's the cause of all my issues, and I've been driving around with it all day. So yes.